A very good day to one and all the parents and the students over here of this prestigious institution, this school. Our chairman of this of the school, Janata High School, Mr. Manerkar, our headmaster, Mr. Chatik, Dr. Tople, the managing trustee, my dear friend Tushar Tople, who is the councillor of Mapsa Municipal Council, and also the trustee of this school, the PTA chairman, all the teachers over here, the ex-headmaster of the school who is being honored over here, all the proud parents of the recipients of small token of love appreciation from the managing committee or from the school, the media. I'm very happy and honored to be here in this August gathering, and I'm looking at the students, the proud students who have got the awards today, the prizes today, and the parents are very proud of them. And some students who have not got the award, they are below, they are in the class or they are at home. If there is a saying that education is the key to one's future, imagine the world without education. Education ना जाल्यार कितें जातलें? तुमी पळयलां आसतलें in countries like Afghanistan, some places in Pakistan, the main cause where there is no education, धाकटुले आसतना सावन भुरग्यांक जे कितें ती पळयता, टीव्हीर पळयता, or they look at the other people doing things and they follow them because there is no education over there. Education schoola tinga ulpaita, bomb galta. So we are very privileged in this country that education is given a lot of importance, a lot of stress, and we have seen that the rural India today is getting education, and I am very happy that this school is promoting education in both Marathi as well as English. And this year I think both the standards of 10th are in English. And we have seen so many schools in Goa, small schools which were earlier like our parents had learned in those schools. आमी तांकां प्रायमरी गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल म्हणटा GPS. आयज सरकार तेंचेर कितलेशेच पयशे मोडटा. तुमी तुमच्या वाड्यांनी वचून पळया, जे कोण म्हापशा भायर रावता थिंगा वचून पळया की थिंगा स्कुलांनी खूब पयशे मोडटा बरी करपाक स्कुलां, पूण थिंगा स्कुलांनी भुरगींच ना आनी सरकार पयशे मोडटा. म्हणजे खंय तरी आमी चुकता अशें म्हाका दिसता. वी आर ट्रायंग टू प्रमोट द मदर टंग कोंकणी आनी मराठी, आनी त्या स्कुलांनी आमी भरपूर पयशे मोडटा. आमची एजन्सी जी आहा GSIDC, गोवा स्टेट इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन, हांकां सरकारान सांगलां आसा तितल्यो शाळा चकचकीत करप ना. म्हणजे ते एक शाळेचे फाटल्यान 15 लाख 20 लाख मोडटा. हेची गरज आहा काय आयज? ह्या पयलो प्रश्न आहा. बरी स्कुलां आहा, जनता हाय स्कूल आहा, म्हापशान कितलीच बरी स्कुलां आहा, विलेजीनूय बरी स्कुलां आहा. खंय तरी गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कुलां फाटीं उरले, सरकार थिंगा पयशे मोडटा. टिचर एकूच आहा, पयली ती चवथी एकूच टिचर शिकयता. पयली फर्स्ट स्टँडर्डाकूय तीच आहा, सेकंड स्टँडर्डाकूय तीच टिचर आहा, थर्ड स्टँडर्डाकूय तीच टिचर आहा. म्हणजे क्वॉलिटी ऑफ एड्युकेशन is going down. आधी बरे आसले, 3 टिचरी 4 टिचरी आसल्यो एक प्रायमरी स्कुलान. आयज ना, So you all are very very lucky, or you all are very very privileged and honored to be in this school. Sarke ulela students who are behind, are you all happy over here? So you all are proud of your teachers. थोडी जण मातशे स्ट्रिक्ट आहा, पण you all are happy with them, right? बरें एड्युकेशन मेवता तुमकां. So you all are all dreamers. तुम्ही स्वप्ना चिंतात कितें तरी बरें जावपाक. सारकें? To make your parents proud. So what are the dreams you all are thinking? Besides the dreams of the movies. Movies म्हणजे आयनॉक्सान मूवी लागल्या तसली स्वप्ना न्हू. सारकी रियालिटीची स्वप्ना कितें चिंतात तुम्ही? What you want to be in life? SSC students are gone. How many SSC students are here? There are. So you all are thinking of आता पुढे 11th standard तुम्ही पळयतले. 11th or 12th or first year, second year, third year. So what you all are thinking of? तुम्ही कितें जावंक सोदता लायफान? What you want to be? Any of the student can tell me. Stand up and tell. What you want to be in life? तुम्ही अजूनही चिंतूंक ना, भुरगे आहात. चिंतूंक ना अजूनही. SSC जावन कितें करतले? 11th. Who wants to be what in life? No problem, you can stand and tell. Whoever wants to tell. Sang. कौन ना? कौन? अरे वाह, see, so proud. She wants to be the collector of the state. North Goa and South Goa आमचे दोन collector आहात. So she wants to be one of them. It is come in her mind because she wants to bring the change what is required. आमचे गोंयान जो तर चेंज हाडूंक जाय, खूब वस्तूंनी चेंज हाडपाक जाय. चेअरमॅनान म्हटले की म्हापशान बरे सवलती मेळपाक जाय, म्हणजे बरी वस्तू मेळपाक जाय. ऑर्गनाइज पार्किंग आसपाक जाय. स्कुलाचे भायर नो पार्किंग फॉर अदर व्हेकल्स, ओन्ली फॉर द स्कूल व्हेकल्स. जी पेरेंट्स येतात तेंकाच आसपाक जाय. एड्युकेशन दुसऱ्या लेवलाचेर व्हरपाक जाय. हिंगासून स्कुलान ट्रान्सफर करपाक जाय. एट द मेन नेक्स्ट टू बोडगेश्वर सगळी स्कुलां जी म्हापशान आहा, आयज पेरेंट्सांक हिंगा येवपाक गाडी लावपाक मेळना. सगळ्या कडेन गाडयो आहा, 2 व्हिलर या 4 व्हिलर या. हाडूंक जागो ना, पार्किंग जागो ना. सो ऑल एड्युकेशन हब जावपाक जाय. ते खातीर ते म्हणटा आपूण कलेक्टर जातले. आय वॉन्ट टू डू समथिंग फॉर अदर्स. I want to help my neighbor. I want to help my friends who are in school. I want to help the people of the village, the city and the state of Goa. That is why she has an aim in life. Her ambition, her dream is to be a collector. So once you pass SSC, you will go in 11th standard to me. 11 पावतले, 12 पावतले, you will get matured and you will start dreaming that I want to be something in life. सगळी जी हिंगा भुरगीं आहा ती 2 वर्सांनी 3 वर्सांनी चिंतपाक लागतली आपूण कोण जातलो. आनी आयज सगळे चेडवांनी चिंतपाक जाय. वी विल नॉट वॉन्ट टू बी हाऊस वाइफ्स ओनली. काजार जातलीच. But I don't want to stay at home. I want to do something to help my husband, to help my parents, to help my mother-in-law, father-in-law. I will go to work. I will start some business on my own. When I was in SSC, I am चिंतलेले की I will be a businessman in life. So I am a businessman today. I worked towards my dreams. जी स्वप्ना पळयल्ली आनी तेन्ना तेचेर हांवें काम केलें. If you don't work towards your dream, you will not be successful in life. खाली बेश्टी स्वप्ना पळयली ना आपूण कोण तरी जातलो आनी कामूच करिना, स्टडी करिना, फुडें पावल मारिना, तुम्ही कामाक वचोंक सोदिना, तुम्ही घरा रावंक सोदता, आपूण कांयच करचो ना आनी आपूण तो जातलो मनीस ना, जावचें ना. इट इज अ कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह वर्ल्ड. कॉम्पिटिशन कितलें आहा, हिंगासर कितली स्टुडंट आहा, तशीच आख्खे म्हापशान सगळे स्कुलांनी स्टुडंट्स आहा. म्हापशा भायर स्टुडंट्स आहा, आख्खे गोंयभर कितली भुरगीं आहा, सगळ्यांची स्वप्नां आहा. If you don't work towards your dreams will never be fulfilled. So, if you want to see some change within yourself, within your family, within your village, within the state of Goa, you must be the change. This was told by Mahatma Gandhi some 70-80 years back, 1930s. He had told, तू जर कितें बरें पळोवपाक सोदताय जाल्यार तुवें चेंज हाडची पडटली. You will have to bring the change. You want to see something different in the village, in the city of Maapsa, you will have to bring it. Don't say that person will bring. तो मनीस हाडटलो, तो काउन्सिलर हाडटलो, तो चेअरपर्सन हाडटलो. ना, तुम्ही काम करचे पडटले. तुम्ही तुमचे खातीर ओन शिकचे पडटले. आनी कोण तुमचे एग्जाम बरोवचो ना, तुमीच बरोवपाक जाय, तुमीच पास जावपाक जाय. So you must be the change you want to see in this world. So the dreams which are there, the dreams which you are thinking of today or you will be thinking of next year can be only fulfilled through hard work. Because your parents are come today, not because they are just called. They want to see all your dreams fulfilled. आज ते कितले काम करता. तुमचे डॅडी कामाक गेल्ले आहा. तुमची proud mothers are here. Some of the fathers are over here. Why they are come? They want to see you excel. They want to see you achieve all the dreams, all those things which are in the children's mind. तुमका कितें लागता तितले दिता. तुमका कंप्युटर जाय, कंप्युटर हाडटा. कोणाक आनी कितें जाय कितें हाडटा. तुमका बरे बुक जाय ते हाडटा. एक्सपेन्सिव बुक जाय ते हाडटा. बरे शूज हाडटा, बरे पॅन्ट्स हाडटा, कोणाक बरी ड्रेसेस हाडटा. सो ऑल तुमचे जे कितें रिक्वायरमेंट्स आहा तितले ते फुलफिल करता. आमच्या टायमार तशें नासलें. जेन्ना आमी भुरगे आसली तुमच्या भाशेन, आमी जे कितें चिंतताले आमकां बरे पॅन्ट जाय, शूज जाय, आमकां मेळनासले. 30 years back we were not getting all these things. Today your parents are working hard to give you all these things. So they have something in their mind that my son, my daughter will be something in life tomorrow. Like the girl said, I want to be a collector. So to fulfill that, she will have to become a Mamladar first, joint Mamladar first, then deputy collector and then collector. And I think her dreams will come true. Or she can be a direct Indian Administrative Service, IAS officer, she can be a collector in first shot, direct. Asa, only if you work hard, it is possible. And your parents are come over here today, especially the SSC students who are here. There is a small request I want to do to the parents today, your parents. Some of them, they must be having their own things in their mind. की आपलो भुरगो फाल्यां गव्हर्नमेंट जॉबाकूच लागूंक जाय. थोड्यांच्या मनान अशें आहा आपलो भुरगो गव्हर्नमेंट जॉबाकूच लागूंक जाय. ग्रॅज्युएट जालो, BCom जालो, MCom जालो, आनी ती सांगता पेरंट्स तांकां की तूं एप्लाय कर जॉब. प्युनाचो जॉब येयलो ताका एप्लाय कर. म्हाजे कडेन कितलीशींच एप्लिकेशनां येता इन माय ऑफिस. When there is a post of a pune, a graduate is applying. Engineering कोणे केला, mechanical engineering is applying. आमी सांगता ताका, who told you to apply this post? No, my father said. He said you have to be a government servant. So that thing we have to remove from our mind. That government servant आजकाल काय ना. तुका ते 18-20 हजार पगार. प्युनाचो जो बरो म्हणना बरोच तो. But that is not meant for the students who have excelled, who have completed graduation. It's not meant for you. You have to think big, you have to aim big. You have to think that I will give jobs for at least 100 of my Indian citizens. 100 तरी गोंयच्या भुरग्यांक आपूण कामाक लायतलो. आपूण बिझनेस घालतलो, 100 जाणांक कामाक लायतलो. आयज माझे कडेन 500 लोक कामाक आहा, 500 people working for me. And I am very happy. Why? Because I am taking care of 500 families directly. 500 भुरग्यांक आमी जॉब दिल्ले आहा. 500 भुरग्यांचे फॅमिली आयज आमच्या ऑर्गनायझेशनांतसून तांकां पगार वयता and they are taking care of their families. So every student should think today that I will be something in life so that I can help others. अशें चिंतून पडना की आपल्याशेच चिंता, आपल्याक प्युनाचो जॉब मेळलो, आपल्याक क्लार्काचो जॉब मेळलो, आपूण जालें, सोंपलें. फुडें फुडें खूब डिफिकल्टी जातल्यो. The machines have replaced manpower. जितके manpower वाडपाक जाय, मशिनांनी तो कमी करीत गेल्लो. So the best option is what? Self-employment. The first option. Government job is for few people. Very few, maybe from all the students who are over here, 1 or 2 will get. 2 जाणांक मेवतलो. सगळे 90% जर चिंतीत की आमकां गव्हर्नमेंट जॉबच मेवपाक जाय, ना. Nothing. You will make more money in self-employment or becoming a doctor or a lawyer or a chartered accountant. So many people will come to you. All businessmen have to go to the chartered accountant today. आयज सरकारान कितलेच भाशेचे टॅक्स घातलेले आमचे. इनकम टॅक्स हा, तो न्यू GST म्हणून आता घातला पळय तो. So all these things are there. So you require so many accountants. So you have to think professionally that I will be some professional in life so that I can take care of others. So many other people can work under me. So many people can come and take services from me. So there are different lines which all the students who are here have to think. And then only you can be successful in life. It is not that easy. अनेकदा सांगता हांव, it is not that easy. आणि पेरेंट्साकूय सांगता, माझो रिक्वेस्ट आहा पेरेंट्सांक, do not press your child to do something what is coming in your mind. तुज्या मनान खूब आसतलें की माझो भुरगो असोच जावपाक जाय, माझो भुरगो तसोच जावपाक जाय. Some parents, they don't want their children to be naughty. आजकाल भुरगे जेन्ना धाकटुले आहा तेणी नॉटीनेस करूपाकूच जाय, नाल्यार ते भितरूच उरता. भुरग्याच्या भितर उरता. बियॉन्ड भुरगो वयर सरता आणि जे तेणे भायर काडपाक जाय आपले ते काडीत ना. He goes into a different world. He gets so many problems coming in his mind. He's not active in class. Slow learner जाता तो. म्हणजे there is a lot of pressure from the parents that he should not do any type of naughtiness in the house or in the school, or he should not talk to others. अशें करून थोडे जाणांचे पेरेंट्स सप्रेस करता आपल्या भुरग्यांक, and which leads to so many different disorders in the children's mind, in their brains. So भुरग्याक सूट दिया. धाकटुले आसतना भुरग्याक जाय तितली मस्ती करूनी. जितलो मस्ती करतलो तितलो भुरगो स्मार्ट जातलो. आणि तुम्ही जर ताका प्रेस करून दवरशात जाल्यार भुरगो थिंगाच उरतलो. He'll be quiet. He'll be to himself. He'll lock the door and he'll want to sit inside. He'll not want to talk to anybody. He'll be by himself. So give the children as much as freedom you can give. Then only all his naughtiness, let him be very naughty, no problem. There are teachers over here who will take care of that naughtiness in the school. You are there at home. Sometimes correct him if he is doing something very bad, but let him do all his naughtiness. He'll be very smart in life. So let us all work together and see that all our children who have their dreams should be fulfilled. Let the parents also help their children to fulfill their dreams. The teachers are there only to guide them, to show them the right path. And as a government, I think we need to bring in major reforms, major changes in education. Not only the syllabus, we have to teach them beyond that. Computers येयल्ले आहा. म्हाका दिसता खूबशे वस्तू करपाक जाय. सरकार जे आयज I am not against government primary school, but जे पयशे मोडटा म्हाका दिसता that is waste of money. Because त्या स्कॉलांनी भुरगे वचपाक सोदिना. बरी सगळी जाण स्टुडंट्स बऱ्या स्कॉलांनी वचोंक सोदता. जिंगा बऱ्यो टिचरी आहा, बरे प्रिंसिपल आहा, तिंगा लेवल ऑफ एड्युकेशन जे आहा ते बरें आहा. म्हाका दिसता we won't be able to give them in this government primary school. They should be changed to अंगणवाडी. आयज अंगणवाडी ना आमच्या कडेन. अंगणवाडी गोंयान म्हणटा पळय कोणाचे तरी घरा ना, कोणाचे किचनाचे सायडीक एक रूम मारला तितून हे जीपीएस गव्हर्मेंट प्रायमरी स्कूल जे आहा ते अंगणवाडीक दिवपाक जाता, ते तितून विलेज लायब्ररी घालपाक जाता आणि बरी स्कुलां जी विलेजीनी आहा तांकां तुम्ही पयशे दिया. सरकार शूड गिव देम मनी फॉर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर. लायक ह्या स्कॉलान आमच्या काउन्सिलरान म्हटलें की हिंगासर 2 क्लासरूम आनी बांदपाक जाय. सो दे वील वॉन्टेड मनी. Government is not giving them, they are giving them 2 lakhs a year for maintenance. 2 lakh पावना आयज. स्टुडंट्स कितली आहा हिंगा? बिल्डिंगेची मरामत करपाची गरज आसता, पेंट मारपाची गरज आसता, बरे फॅन घालूंक जाय भुरग्यांक, बरी ट्यूबलायटी घालूंक जाय, स्मार्ट बोर्ड जाय, स्मार्ट बेंचीस जाय, computers are required, so many things, requirements of the school are there, laboratories जाय, state of the art. आजकाल एक बरे वस्तू येता. So every school should have good quality infrastructure. This is the need of the hour, and for that government should be committed. Not only give granting aid as teacher, should give all required infrastructure to all the schools. Do not say that this is not my school, this is a trustee school. No, every student ची responsibility आहे ती गव्हर्नमेंटाची आहे, and government should give not only granting aid, they should give granting aid in way of computers, better laboratories, and I think one day if all these things what I am talking today will come true, it only requires a vision to give these things to the schools, better infrastructure, better quality education, and whatever is required to be done for education in the state of Goa. I am committing to you today that in the near future we will do that. Thank you for inviting me. And बाब तोपले म्हाका सांगले की 2 हिंगासर क्लासरूम बांदपाक जाय म्हणून. सो तितूंतलो एक क्लासरूम I will see that I will build for you all. If it is possible, I will build both. Let them give me the cost of the total around 10 lakhs zata. So if it is possible, I will build both. 10 lakhs I will give for the school. So let them give me the quotation. This should be the dream of every student over here. That ज्या स्कॉलान तुम्ही शिकल्या त्या स्कॉलान तुम्ही तुमचो पयलो पगार हाडून दिवपाक जाय. फर्स्ट सॅलरी. बिकॉज आमचो सरकार दिना हांकां. सरकार खाली टिचरीचोच पगार दिता. पेंट मारपाक 2 लाख दिता, पावना ते. सो तुम्ही तुमचो पयलो पगार जेन्ना तुम्ही फर्स्ट सॅलरी यू विल ड्रॉ फ्रॉम वेरेवर यू आर, or you start a business and you get some small profit. From that you bring only 10% and give it back to your school. Your teachers will be proud, you will be proud yourself that I have done something in my life. Because every person who comes in this world comes with a purpose. God sends him for a purpose. And that purpose you should make other people happy and proud. Then only you will become very proud of yourself that I have done something. So your first salary should come back to the school. And it is like a contribution. आपण या स्कॉलान शिकला पहिली ती 10वी आणि आपण आयज कोंडोरी जाला त्या खातीर माझो पहिलो पगार ओ माझे पहिले 10% ऑफ माय प्रॉफिट आय एम गिविंग इट बॅक टू द स्कूल फॉर द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. कित्याक फुडें आनी भुरगीं हिंगा शिकपाची आहा तेंचे आमी चिंतपाक जाय. सो हे आमी चिंतीत जाल्यार इंडिया एंड गोवा विल बी something in level above America. As I mean, we are underdeveloping country. So we will be in par. If every student thinks in this direction, there won't be any place over here. म्हणजे आम्ही सारखे वयर असतले वयल्या लेवलाचे. So let us think in that direction. Thank you, Chairman sir, and the managing trustees and the committee, the teachers of the school, the headmaster. Thank you very much for inviting me. God bless.